I'm Tyson with Iron and Timber Co. Today we're going to be building a custom I-beam mantle on our ShopSabre CNC. So we have all sorts of high-end custom work that we do here that comes through the shop. Our table runs anywhere from 4 to 6 hours a day cutting out parts. Some of my favorite parts that it cuts for us are what goes into these custom I-beam mantles. We had one project recently that was a mantle that was continuous, 42 feet long and 360 degrees, and it weighed over 1,800 pounds. Today, we're going to be doing a much smaller version of that. And before I get into how all that goes together, we're going to head into the office and we'll start with the design. So here we're in our 3D design software, and you can see the mantle that we're trying to create. What we're going for here is recreating the look of an I-beam. So I-beam presents a little bit of a challenge as a mantle because it comes in certain heights and widths and weights, and it's a little bit constrained. So what we've done is recreated the look and feel of a mantle out of plate steel. And all of this plate steel we can cut out on our ShopSabre, which is pretty neat. And we added a few artistic elements here with these rivets to kind of bring in that industrial look. So now that you've seen the design, all we have to do from here is export all of these different parts as DXF files into ProNest. ProNest will take them and nest them onto our sheet of steel, and we'll send it over to the machine and start cutting. So yeah, these parts just came off the table. They look really good. All that's left to do is a little bit of cleanup, tack them up together, do the final welding, and then we can move on to the patina process. What patina is a chemical reaction, and we do this by heating up this steel with a torch and then applying the chemical, and what it does is it ages the steel. It makes it look antique, and that's what this customer is really going for. And after that, we'll finish it off with a nice clear coat. Looks like we got a lot to do. Let's get going and finish the project up. As you can see, we have our finished I-beam mantle here. I think the finish turned out really great. That antique finish really took. We started out with just 2 sheets of steel on our CNC machine. It took about 20 minutes to burn out all those parts, and then from there we welded it up and started into our patina process. So you probably noticed how the heat and the chemical that we sprayed on it kind of reacted to create an almost rust color, and that's really what we were going for, because we needed to try to age this steel. So as we created that chemical reaction and cleaned it off a little bit and then sprayed it with our clear coat, we developed this antique look, and I think it really turned out nice. Here at Iron and Timber Co., we really like taking our customers' ideas and designing them in-house. It is so nice to be able to come over to our CNC table, take those ideas, cut them out in real life, and build one-of-a-kind pieces. It's really helped our business a ton, and we hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.